Best husband award with your answer है तो उसी के लिए एक बार जोर से ताली बजा दीजिए for the wonderful couple that we are. Super stuff. आप लोग पहले अपने शॉट्स ले लीजिए उसके बाद we'll do the photo opportunity वो करेंगे वो चीज करेंगे हाँ जी सर हाँ मैं इससे बात हूँ Okay, so I believe we're officially good to begin, right? Okay, super. Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, सबसे पहले आप लोग का यहाँ पे स्वागत है. आप लोग यहाँ पे I'm pretty sure you all are very happy seeing whatever is happening over here. Thank you so much. Can I please, आप सबके हाथ में कैमरास है, तो कराने वाला आप लोगों को हाथ में कैमरास अगर रहेगा तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. But what I want to do all of you is that कि आप लोग please अपने लिए एक बार ताली बजाइए because जो कंपनी आज यहाँ पे मौजूद है, there's something related with the paparazzi. So all you incredible people from the media, please अपने लिए बजाइए जोर से ताली. Thank you so much for being the wonderful people that you all are, always supportive towards incredible projects which are visionary in the true sense of the term. आज जो ये प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पे अनवीलिंग होने वाला है, that is truly special in the true sense of the term. AI के बारे में हम सब बात करते हैं, right? AI से बहुत लोग डरते हैं. कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे जो AI से डरते हैं? Maybe raise your hands. Nobody is scared of AI. Maybe the actors are scared of AI, right? Are you scared? Sohail bhai is scared. Nawaz is also scared. Little bit. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. Anyway, आज हम लोग कोई AI के बारे में जब बात करेंगे तो हम कोई डरने वाला चीज के बारे में हम लोग बात नहीं करेंगे. We're going to be talking about good fun, good content and visionary content. And वो visionary content के पीछे जो production house है, you all can see very clearly over here. It's called Paparazzi Entertainment Company. And मैंने तो बहुत कुछ बोला about Paparazzi Entertainment Company, but I believe the man who's actually leading with the right vision, with the right kind of hard work, मैं उनको बुलाना चाहूँगा यहाँ पे मंच पे so that he comes and shares a little bit about Paparazzi Entertainment Company. Ladies and gentlemen, please जोर से बजाइए ताली for Mr. Ajinkya Jadhav, the founder of Paparazzi Entertainment Company. Ajinkya जी के लिए जोर से ताली please. And I request you to please say a few words about Paparazzi Entertainment Company. We're all looking forward. Can you just check down?
Hello. Good evening. Thank you everyone for being here with us today. So at Paparazzi Entertainment, our vision is to be a leading AI entertainment company in India and hopefully global. Let's see. We started some months back with advertisements, music videos, short stories, but today here we stand in front of you for the beginning of a new era, that is AI feature films. So cinema has always evolved and it keeps evolving. From black and white to color, from no sound to sound, from effects to CGI to VFX to animation. Artificial intelligence is the next big leap here. So, but let me be clear, it's not here to replace any creativity. It's only here to amplify it. So I'm so happy to unveil our upcoming AI feature film starring one and only Sunny in a completely new avatar. So this is not just a film, it's India's step into a global AI cinema revolution. With AI, we are creating visuals, emotions, worlds, which earlier were impossible within time and budget. So that's all from my side here. Let's see a small teaser of some of the work that Paparazzi Entertainment has done till now.
I represent Paparazzi. इसकी कहानी बोल रहा हूँ, एंटरटेनमेंट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. AI एक नया वर्जन है, इसकी अटेम्प्ट है, and जो हम लोग सिनेमा डिजाइन कर रहा था, प्लान कर रहा था, उस वक्त सुपर हीरोज ऐसे कंसेप्ट या आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थॉट सोचने के लिए कहानियां लिखा। उस वक्त हम लोग का इंटरेक्शन सनी के साथ हुआ एंड उनका सिमिलर विजन था, हम लोग जुड़े और आज आप लोग के सामने हैं। तो एक कोशिश है एंटरटेन करने के लिए। सो होपफुली जिस वक्त ये पहला प्रोडक्ट आपको टीजर या ट्रेलर होगा तब आपको एक अच्छी फिल्म देने की उम्मीद करता हूँ। जस्ट प्रे फॉर अस, नथिंग स्पेशल।
Thank you, sir. Sir के लिए जोर से ताली please. And अगर मैं बोलूँ तो people from the south they've been giving us some blockbuster content, तो आप लोग उम्मीद कर सकते हो कि बहुत ही बेहतरीन कुछ होने वाला है। एक और बार सर के लिए ताली please everybody जोर से। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, thank you so much. I would now like to call over here the man who's also been very keenly associated with the project. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Sun City Endeavour's director, the one and only Mr. Daniel Weber over here. Give him the biggest round of applause. Thank you so much, Mr. Daniel, for being with us over here. We request you to say a few words for our media.
Thank you so much for having us. I'm going to keep this very short. Sun City Endeavors, as you know, through Sunny and myself, we have many ventures, many avenues, many paths, and this is another one. This is something that's very close to us. Sunny and I like to be on the forefront of technology and on everything new. So thank you so much for joining us. And thank you for being a part of this, because we are just beginning. And I believe that you will be as amazed as we were when we saw how great the technology is and how far it's come. So thank you for coming along on this ride with us, and we appreciate it.
Please, everybody, welcome her in the best way possible. Thank you so much, Sunny. What a pleasure it is to have you. We request you to say a few words for our media friends over here, please.
First of all, thank you so much, everybody, for coming. This is an amazing turnout. Your support is always something very special to myself and also Daniel and everybody here. I'll just tell you a little bit about how this came to be. About 8 years ago, Daniel and I shot a promo of Core Universe. And it was something that we really wanted to work on. It was all done through VFX and on a green screen. And we created this amazing trailer. And we've been holding on to this for 8 years. And when we met with Paparazzi, Daniel showed them this amazing idea. And that's, where this was born. Of course, it will be a completely different story, different concept. But that is where it all started. And like Daniel said, this is our baby, and we're so excited because, this dream can come true. And it goes to show that if you have ideas and you have talent or you have things that you want to accomplish in life, it can be possible. Maybe you have to wait a little bit, but everything is possible in life. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, Sunny. Give a big round of applause for Sunny, please, everybody. I request you, please, take your seat over here. And I think Sunny's words truly reflect the fact that ऊपर वाले के घर में दे रहे और दे नहीं। अगर आप लोग कोई चीज प्लान करते हो, भले वो उस वक्त ना हो, लेकिन eventually जाके वो जरूर होता है। Thank you so much. Kudos to all of you for the wonderful collaboration. अभी मैं वो चीज करना चाहूँगा जिसके बारे में आप सब लोग इंतजार कर रहे हो। हाँ जी। थोड़ा साइड में आ जाओ उस तरफ। Okay. Sure. हाँ जी। Oh, okay. So I'm photobombing a lot of people anyway. So जिस reason की वजह से हम लोग आए थे, grand unveiling, ladies and gentlemen, of God vs. God is going to be happening right now in front of all of you. The very first time, Sunny Leone. एक Sunny Leone बहुत entertainment होता है, तो अगर double role होगा, can you imagine the kind of entertainment and the brilliant work that she has to offer? Give it up once again for Sunny Leone. Can we please have the grand unveiling right now?
Lights.
We'll put the lights off, please. Mr. Azikia, the man who's been a part of the project. Basic question है, सबसे पहले with our friends from the media would love to know, ये कहाँ पे आ रहा है? This is on OTT, this is releasing in films. You can just give like a basic outline.
हमारा vision तो global है, so we'll be like both theatrical as well as OTT release. That's the best part of AI films. The visuals can be adapted seamlessly, be it theatrical or digital. So theaters, OTT, everywhere.
एक डर का माहौल पूरी दुनिया में बना हुआ है अभी right now कि AI जो है वो इंसानों का काम छीन रहा है, it's taking away jobs. But is it actually going to take away jobs in filmmaking? Who better than a producer to answer that?
So not really. See, every technology when it comes, it faces backlash, right? So it was earlier animation, then VFX. Now this is the new one. So it's not actually taking away any jobs. It is not taking away creativity. It is just amplifying it. It enhances the creativity. You know, the musicians, editors, writers, artists, all of them are still at the core. So it's not taking up any jobs, but it's also promoting or giving up more jobs, you know, right? For AI editing, AI animation, prompt designing, there are many more jobs which have been developed. So
Schools,
it's
universities have
correct.
opened.
So it's not taking away jobs. In fact, it's creating more too.
So basically, with time and technology, you need to upgrade yourself and your skills, and if you're doing that, you're going to face security,
Correct.
right?
Correct. And that should be, you know, people should keep upgrading and scaling themselves. So,
You know, my last question to you before I move to Sir over there would be key, when it comes to AI and technology, people always have this conception that, you know, if it's an AI thing, we don't have that human touch over there, the human element is not there, maybe it might lack the soul, and emotions missing हो जाए, उसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है सर?
so it depends how well you create it, first of all. Secondly, emotions pixels se nahi aate, you know, pixels cannot get emotions. So the storytelling and the vision is what gets the emotions. So if you have the direction, writing, and everything bang on, then audiences will connect. You know, then even if it is shot in real or AI or any other tool, if the storytelling and the direction and writing is perfect, audiences will definitely connect.
We absolutely hope for that. You know, we round of applause once again for Aziz Yazi. Please, thank you so much. मैं विनय सर को अगला सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा. Please, thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much for creating this, because we want technology to come out and also create incredible opportunities. And वो actors को जो लोग को डर लगता है कि maybe, you know, AI से कुछ उल्टा सीधा हो सकता है, that's not exactly the case. You're setting trends in that space. Thank you. I want to understand the vision and the idea behind creating Cord versus Cord. What was the idea? What made you create this beautiful, beautiful project?
See, it's been, I think I'm speaking Hindi. पूरा बॉम्बे के लोग तो सबको कंफर्टेबल के लिए ये जब भी हम लोग सिनेमा शुरू किए थे, ड्रामा था, फिर सिनेमा था, एंड में हर चीज कहानी से जुड़ती है. तो अभी जैसा 20 साल से दुनिया में एनिमेशन फिल्म आ रहा है, एक नरसिम्हा ने पूरा गेम चेंज कर लिया. तो हर फील्ड का अपना एक पहला अटेम्प्ट होता है, और एंड में कहानी ही आपको मतलब 2 घंटा में आपको एंगेज कर लूंगा, आपको इमोशनली कनेक्ट कर लूंगा, आपको इस कवर से अगर जुड़ेगा तो डेफिनेटली आपको अच्छा लगेगा. बट एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोसेस है. मीडिया है, कोशिश हम लोग 100% है, सनी की तरफ से 100% कमिटमेंट है, हमारी टीम की कमिटमेंट है. सो होपफुली विल एंटरटेन. आई मीन डिसअपॉइंट नहीं करूँगा, इतना तो गारंटी देता हूँ.
सर आपने वो जो प्यार से बोला ना लास्ट में, डिसअपॉइंट नहीं करूंगा, उसमें सब लोगों को ऐसे ही भरोसा हो गया. वैसे सर के लिए जोर से ताली प्लीज वन
थैंक यू सर.
एंड एक और सवाल आपसे बिफोर आई मूव टू डैनियल, दैट वुड बी कि इट्स ऑलवेज अ चैलेंज, आई वुड से, टू काइंड ऑफ बैलेंस स्टोरी टेलिंग में उसमें क्रिएटिविटी आता है, टू बैलेंस दैट विद टेक्नोलॉजी. हाउ डिफिकल्ट वाज दैट फॉर यू?
I need to, I'll just give you a clear vision. I don't know how people will take it. See, when I come from an era where we shot in film camera. यहाँ पे कुछ लोग होंगे जिन्होंने फिल्म कैमरा में भी शूट किए होंगे. तो फिल्म कैमरा जब शूट होता था, और एक रील का कॉस्ट जो है बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होता था. तो जब कैमरा एक्शन बोलने से पहले हर आदमी ऑन टो होता था, क्योंकि अगर एक रिटेक हो गया तो डेफिनेटली कॉस्ट वेरी होता है. एक्टर हो, टेक्नीशियन हो, आर्ट डायरेक्टर हो, सारे ऑन टो. एक्शन बोलने से पहले हर आदमी इतना फोकस होता था. उसके बाद डिजिटल आ गया, धीरे धीरे 12 टेक, 50 टेक, 40 टेक हो गए. एआई का सबसे बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट ये है, डिसिप्लिन वापस लाएगा सर, क्योंकि बिना आपका आखिरी शॉट लिखे बगैर एक शॉट भी बनाने की शुरू नहीं कर सकते, इंक्लूडिंग साउंड, इंक्लूडिंग विजुअल, इंक्लूडिंग हर तरह का क्रिएटिविटी. जब तक आप प्रिपेयर नहीं करोगे, आप एक शॉट डिजाइन नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि आपको टेक्निकली कुछ भी करने से पहले आपकी कहानी को वेल प्लेस होना पड़ेगा, और नहीं होगा यू फॉल. सो होपफुली हम लोग उसके लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं. एक बहुत बड़ी टीम सेट की है, हर रेंज का टेक्नीशियंस ऑन बोर्ड है, बॉम्बे से है, साउथ से, हर जगह से लोग जुड़े जो इस टेक्नोलॉजी को इंडिया की तरफ से ही बहुत बड़ा पहला प्रोजेक्ट होगा, इंडिया की तरफ से। अगर सक्सेसफुली हम वेंचर करेंगे, यहाँ बैठा हुआ हर टैलेंट को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा फिल्म बनाने का, कहानी बोलने का। सो जस्ट ब्लेस अस, प्रे फॉर अस, होपफुली वी विल entertain again and again.
Thank you so much, sir. And I think I have taken that keyword from your end, which is landmark. Landmark project होने वाला है. So give a big round of applause for sir once again, please. Thank you so much. I would now like to come to Daniel over here. I heard Sunny over there saying that we had created something long back. It didn't work out at this point of time, but eventually it did, because whatever has to happen will eventually happen, right? What were your emotions like at that point of time when it actually turned out to be real? Because this was something that you both wanted for a long time, right? What would you like to say on that?
So, when we thought of the concept of core, it was in a superhero universe, and we, like she had said, we developed something, but it's not that Marvel or DC or Universal or Paramount hadn't been working with technology like this, but here we didn't have studios working with the technology that we required, and the budgets were massive, and we couldn't do it. So it's not that we forgot about it, but we said, you know what, the time isn't right now. Maybe one day the time will be. And then you come to a point of your life where you want to align yourself with people who have similar visions. And when I met everyone at Paparazzi, it was all very random. It was through a very random phone call and to the director, and I met their team. And everyone's vision aligned perfectly. And at this stage of life, you want things to align. It shouldn't be a headache. It shouldn't be a hassle. It shouldn't be an argument. You want things to just align and work out. And we said, you know what? We have a really interesting character that we developed years ago. They said, you know what? We have a really interesting concept. And it just worked. And it just aligned. And that's the way it should be. And this is what brought us here today. And I went to their office. I saw the reel that you just saw. And I saw other content. And I was completely blown away by the content that they made. And I said, this is the fit. This just makes sense. And 7-8 years later, as she said, sometimes you develop something and you want something and you want to do something and achieve something and you think it should be now, and you're frustrated. Everything has its time. Everything has its journey, and this is exactly what it's meant to be for this core. It's meant to be now, 8 years later. So as they say, patience is a virtue, 8 years.
Thank you so much. Give a big round of applause for Mr. Daniel, please. And what I would like to ask now is, Sunny, I have a very important question for you, which is, this is a bit of a unknown territory, I believe, because this is India's first AI-based film, right? We're actually spearheading it, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm pretty sure the visuals look incredibly amazing. What are your emotions like at this point of time? Is it a blend of excitement and nervousness, or how is it like?
Bina mic, is that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they have the booms over here.
Okay, no problem. First of all, it is absolutely exciting. And, when you hear the story, when I heard the story, and with the ideas that I have and the vision that I had for this character, yeah, they might be completely different than what I thought, but I believe that when we really start getting into this character, where she's from, the other character, it is going to be an incredible journey. And, I've always said, every single interview, probably with most of you here, you have all asked me, what is my dream role? I've always said I wanted to be a superhero. Without fail, you guys can go back and fact check. But I've always said, मुझे superhero बनना है.
There was a lot of pressure on me. Really. I've been hearing this for 10 years. I want to be a superhero. I was like, I need to make this happen.
Yeah, and not just for Halloween. I want to create a character that is going to reach the hearts of many and also be engaging and also be able to be there every step of the way, which is the most amazing part of हमारा relationship together, is that हम साथ में ये पूरा film साथ में बनाएंगे, every frame, every part of the story. And I think it's very, very exciting. And I'm really, really looking forward, because we cannot give you any more. It's killing me.
Thank you so much. But basics I believe you already mentioned, and we know the fact that you really want to be like almost like a manifestation turning into reality. Right?
8 साल से manifest कर रही हूँ.
But you got to tell us about the superhero thing because India as a country is known for actually loving the superhero characters. So the fact that you're actually playing it, what would you want to tell the audience a little bit about the superhero part of the project?
Well, I think what we've noticed over the last, I'd say, let's say 3 to 6 years is we've really seen, Marvel films, superhero films do extremely well in India. So then you're looking at a demand of creating something that is on par with what we see when we see a Marvel film. And I do believe with everything in me that we'll be able to create that on such a large scale when you're watching it in the theater that you will feel like there is no difference between what they have made and what we can make. And I do believe that India is so amazing with technology. There should be no reason why we are not on par with every other country in the world when it comes to our technology. We have some of the smartest, most brilliant people in this country. And, you are all going to see what India can create when it comes to AI. And this is a new genre for people to watch. I understand it can be a little uncomfortable, but why should we be left behind? Let's move forward. We move forward as a country, and there'll be so many more films like this coming out.
Thank you so much, Sunny, for answering that. And one last question before I open up the floor for the media for questions. That would be that, once Sunny Leone in a project is like supremely fantastic and entertaining, right? This is double role, everybody. So what do you have to say about the double role part?
Well, it's AI. So, there are many different layers to the character that I'll definitely have my hand in and be a part of. My voice or how she moves or how she talks. Is that how Sunny's going to talk? Is that how the character's going to talk? There has to be those nuances that, as an actor will be able to put into the character. And I think that's really important. So I do believe that if an actor is a part of any film that has AI, then you put your foot down and you say, if you're going to use AI, then I want to be a part of it. I need to be a part of this process and I need to be a part of this film. And however that is, an actor definitely should be a part of their own character.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. India's first AI-based film, Sunny Leone ke liye ek aur baar please जोर से ताली हो जाए. Can I have a huge round of applause for the entire audience over here, please? Thank you so much. And on that note, I'll open up the floor for our friends from the media for the questions.
Watch history being made. So you're going to see exactly how India is going to be affected by full feature length films in AI. And we use AI every second of the day. You just don't realize it. Everybody's holding a phone. So there is AI technology in almost everything that we do now. There are schools and universities and children learning AI in schools now. These types of things are changing our entire world. So I do believe our children are learning about AI. And, it's amazing because the job opportunities or, the different skill set we'll be able to bring to the films is going to be amazing.
As an actress, how important it is to work AI in the right manner, because there are so many AI videos which goes on a wrong way of manner.
Of course.
And there are lots of reels that's viral.
Yeah, I definitely believe that there should be regulations on people stealing someone's image or stealing their likeness to create something for their own use. But this is the best part about working with paparazzi and creating this is we get to tell the story and we get to hold the control in our hands. And I think that's where everything's going to change, is that if you want to use someone's likeness or their photo or who they are, then it should be with consent and it should be in tandem with whatever that project is. So I do believe there should be regulations.
And actors and directors and whoever's involved, they need to make sure that they are involved in this and not just, I understand my likeness was used and it was misused. They need to make sure that if they're doing a project, they are involved 100% in the project from A to Z. It's very important.
Thank you, Sunny. We will take one more question, but before that, I just want Vinilji to maybe specify a little bit about Sunny's character, whatever you want to say, maybe 1-2 lines, because I feel that might prompt up more interesting questions from the media. 1-2 lines.
start with, when we met on Core. So Core was damn exciting. So as a creative person, I somehow felt I should add something value to it because they have been living with this character for 8 years. So it took couple of weeks to find that right idea, and somehow Cow developed it. And then we felt, why not give two Sunny Deols in two different characters? So, and that's all we have. These two characters are wonderful. One is emotional, one is violent, one is going to give you emotional quote, and one is going to rock you with his action like a pure superhero. So hopefully we'll entertain you with both the characters.
Thank you so much. We'll move to the next question. Anybody has one? I'm coming to you, sir. Over there, you ask the questions. We'll come to you as well.
Hi, Sunny. Sunny here from Singapore. Well, definitely AI is used in a right way. It gives more interesting content. But just I want to know, do you think after your film it will pave a way for more AI-based project in future?
Absolutely, that is the goal. The goal is to pave the way to create a different type of cinema. That doesn't mean that it's going to replace any sort of content that's released. We're not going to replace other films. We're not going to replace other digital content. We're not going to replace anything that's on OTT. This is just another facet within the industry. So I think that it's definitely something that with the right companies creating the content, creating the film or TV show, then we'll be able to create more jobs.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll move to the next question.
Did you think you look more beautiful at AI?
Should we ask Daniel?
You're gonna get me in trouble. Why are you getting me in trouble? Don't ask me this.
Just answer the right answer.
She is more beautiful in person. In AI, she's extraordinary.
इसका meaning क्या है?
Goes to Mr. Daniel Weber.
Sunny, just use the title. I'm going to talk in Hindi. Sunny, Kaur versus Core. Kaur is about like your name is Karanjeet Kaur actually. तो वो नाम आपके बाहर से जो है हमने देखा है कि सिख फिल्म में बहुत सारी फिल्में आई जहाँ पर मेल हीरोज बहुत है, फीमेल और ज्यादा नहीं एक्चुअली फिल्म बनी है. So that was also one of the thing like अगर सुपर हीरो है तो that would be you, and मतलब you are trying to show your religion also, like you're quite brave and ऐसा भी उसमें as a warrior also you're showing yourself, and the religion part would also be there plus AI.
Can I take it?
Sure. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है that मैंने इतना सोच नहीं डाला था as far as females versus men or whether men are getting ज़्यादा priority or females are not. So मैंने इसमें ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं था. But Core was just something like in my mind came Core Universe. So that's where the character actually started. And from there came Core versus Core. And so I think that there's definitely different elements like जो इन दोनों characters में है that are stark differences. And वो differences दिखाने के लिए we have to show different attire, we have to show different philosophies of life, we have to show different things to be able to get there. As far as religion and all these different things, these are things that are still in development.
No, but your name is Karanjeet Kaur,
Yeah.
and the lady, what we can see her, she is representing Sikhism, I feel. That's what I can just try to make it out. And more in the history, like we've seen, Sikhism is they are most of them are warriors also. The way it is being shown, it's like a warrior. So that is what you really wanted, आपका नाम भी कौर है.
Yeah.
तो उसी पर I just wanted to ask. अच्छा आप थोड़ा बताइए.
एक सिंपल सा आंसर बता रहा हूँ. जब सभी जी लोग से जब मुलाकात किया, so when they told me about Core, वो कैरेक्टर के बारे में जब मैंने इनसे जिक्र हुआ, तो I subconsciously wanted to tell a story. I was just going through क्या करूँ कैसे करूँ. So So I went through her life, So उसमें Sikhism, warrior, वो सब वो कुछ मेरे दिमाग में नहीं है. So वो कुछ भी दिमाग में नहीं है. So but when I went through when I look back, she was born from a Sikh family. So वो कैसा होगा, और क्या होगा, तो वो मुझे एक्साइट किया वो कैरेक्टर जो दुनिया ने देखा नहीं. तो मुझे लगा why not add that value to it, and it started exciting. The character started growing. So once I sent the concept note to Daniel, he just bounced out. Yeah, this is amazing. This is something. So it's just a thought came out of the blue. So कहीं भी reason. Yeah, but if she's playing a cloud, she's playing a Sikh character. There's no doubt about it. But दोनों character का अपना एक identity है, दोनों character अपना एक point of view है, दोनों के thought process है, दोनों के ideologies है. तो जो इनका जो competition है, ideology का competition है और कुछ नहीं.
And just to add, I am Karanjeet Kaur, and I am a fighter, and I always fight for whatever I believe in. And it is something that I do believe we should teach our children, whether you are Sikh or whether you are from another religion, to always fight for your dreams and always fight to stand up for what's right. So I just want to address it because you brought it up and not go past your question.
Mention Sunny in and as. That's very important.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just to add one more thing, आपको एक और सिंपल सा बात बताता हूँ कि जब ये कहानी हम प्रेजेंट कर रहे थे, ये कहानी की सबसे बड़ी ब्यूटी है, this story is being told in 2017. That's the beauty of this whole story. So we'll show you a world what happened in 2017. So that's the beauty of this story.
Just one first time, I'm the director staff. I'm Anjali Kaur from IDT Chronicles. And my question to you is, from being a traditional actor who's acting in front of a camera to an AI character, what were the pros and the cons of the character? Or filmmaking?
We're going to find out. We are in the middle of creating all the characters, and that is our director's job. He's creating frame by frame of how this whole film's going to be and the story, and we'll work together on how we would like to present it. So वो challenges मुझे अभी पता नहीं है, but I do believe that working with the right team, थोड़ा सा आसान होता है when you're creating something.
You have to come back during the release and ask the same question.
Yes.
Okay. Before all came to your mind, who was your favorite superhero?
Wonder Woman.
And these days, a lot of these film stars are going to protect their personality, like it talks about misuse of right, misuse of pictures, misuse of characters. You also picture having misuse.
अरे इतना यूज होता है वो मैं क्या करूँ?
Do you intend to go to court and for protection of personality rights?
It just really just depends on वो issue क्या है और वो video क्या है, वो picture क्या है. But I think that it's a very personal thing. So you all know मेरा journey कैसा था यहाँ, and हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ बात आता है that people are not so nice about. So in that way, I've developed like rhino skin. I have very, very tough skin. So ये चीजें मुझे इतना affect नहीं करता है. But for some actors and actresses, I do believe ये affect करता है, and they should fight for their rights. And I do believe that there should be regulations.
I saw Nisha's ad. I saw the ad.
Oh.
Thank you. We are so proud of Nisha.
Yes. I will add one thing to this. It's very important for the rules and regulations to come from the central government first.
Yes.
As actors, actresses, any sort of person, entertainment creative, they can argue, fight, complain, whine, but it means nothing if it doesn't actually come from the government first.
Yeah,
So when they set what it is going to be, then it'll follow them.
Yeah. And thank you about Nisha.
Yes.
We are so proud of
Very
her.
proud.
Yeah. She's a very smart, talented girl.
We'll take the last two questions.
Vyas Kochra from Indian Express.
Hi.
Firstly, congratulations for the film.
Thanks.
And while we've discussed here how this team is trying to amplify creativity using AI, and we've also looked at the dangers sometimes it poses. I want to understand from you that how ready is our Indian audience to consume as well as to use AI in the right sense?
Consume, I think that we don't give enough credit to our consumer. हम assume करते हैं that वो ये चीजें नहीं like करेंगे, but actually they're already watching it. India is consuming so much content every single day on multiple platforms, and I think that one of the things that COVID did was create this new world of how we consume content, and it's very, very different than what it was. So I do think that they're ready. I don't think that we always give enough credit to our consumer. हम ऐसे assume करते कि किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, but actually everybody loves it. Everybody's watching it already.
And what about using it right?
Who
Again,
determines right from
yeah.
wrong? Though? Just the government, essentially. Because what could be right for me could be wrong for you, and vice versa. That's very hard,
And you will take the last question, Sana.
Hi Sunny, Salam from India today here. You of course work with Anurag, you're going to collab with Vikramaditya Motwani, and both of them have been very critical about AI and the use of it in cinema. Of course, this is a path-breaking move, but tell me, are you also expecting a disapproval from the industry? And how are they going to take this, and what's the feedback like for you as of now for this film?
Sure, I think that knowledge is power. I think that जब आपके पास knowledge है किसी चीज में, then आप understand कर सकते वो cinema is an addition. This type of cinema could be an addition to the industry. I do believe it will create more jobs. I do believe that it is going to catapult into a different direction. So I think if Anurag sir was sitting here, I would definitely want him to understand my point of view, and maybe I could change it. But that is the lovely thing about being a human being, is that apne philosophies and the way that we see life is very different from the next, and that's okay.
And when are you planning to release this film and start work on it?
Ajinkya,
2026 summer. Because we want everybody to come to the theatre and watch the movie. It will be holiday for children. Because it's a super movie.
Ajinkya, any other special point that you want to add from your end regarding the release?
Not for the release, but with regards to technology and how everyone is a bit concerned with regards to misusing the technology. So every technology has its creative use and misuse. Even when internet had come or social media had come, they also face the same backlash. So you cannot ban anything just for the misuse of it, but have some ethics and regulations in place, and then you can take care of all those things. So I think our youth is ready to consume, or our audience is also ready to consume any kind of entertainment that you give them, provided you also teach them to use tech correctly. So that's what I wanted to add.
That's what it is. I think एक ही line होता है कि with great power comes great responsibility. That is what it is. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we come to an end of this incredible conference. God was this call. We're all looking forward to that in the year 2026. This is going to be India's first AI-based film. Sunny Leone is spearheading it. Nothing better than that. हम लोग अभी photo opportunity करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. So please get ready for the cameras. Can I please request all of you to come forward over here?